You guys have been waiting for this. It is here. It is time for the ultimate supercharger install, and that's because Magnuson has the new Toyota Tacoma Gen 3 kit out, and we here at Vivid Racing are gonna put this thing in and show you what it's like to drive this with 100 more horsepower. So let's get to it. First, let's talk about the Tacoma. This TRD truck is one of the most popular selling mid-size trucks out there. These things are designed for some serious off-road capabilities. Unlike its big brother with the 5.7 liter V8, this is a little bit underpowered. So Magnuson has engineered and developed an awesome bolt-on supercharger kit that will make the Tacoma have some serious power. We're talking about stock 278 horsepower going up to 370 horsepower. That's over 300 rear wheel horsepower, and we're going to show you that difference on our Mustang all-wheel drive dyno. So let's talk boost here. This is what it does. This is Magnuson's Supercharger. This is the TVS 1900 root style blower. This means you get instant power, instant torque. Very linear. Unlike a centrifugal supercharger from Vortec or another company, these things build up boost. So Magnuson's design is the premier way to go. That way you have instant power without any lag. They've gone to extra lengths to make sure that these superchargers run cool, and with the tuning, your engine is extremely safe and reliable. All ECU flashing is done directly through the OBD2 port, so you don't have to worry about taking your vehicle somewhere to have it custom tuned. They are giving you everything you need in a box to install and immediately get on the road with 100 more horsepower. Magnuson, we are ready. We're gonna dive into this truck, but first and foremost, let's get this thing on the dyno and do a baseline. All right, let's talk numbers. As far as the dyno goes, we are on a Mustang dyno, and welcome to beautiful Arizona where it's 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 91 octane. We've got some stuff coming against us here for numbers, but it's not about the numbers, it's about the gain. So make sure that you pay attention to the gain when we do the after testing. So looking at our numbers here, we've got the red line, which is horsepower, blue line, which is torque. The Tacoma comes with 278 horsepower stock. We're seeing about 219 rear wheel horsepower here. That's about a 20% drivetrain loss, which is extremely normal for the Mustang dyno. Now, we've got torque here. Peak torque, 236 foot-pounds. Overall, the numbers we've got here on this Tacoma is pretty accurate for how the truck should perform with 35-inch tires. So, we've got our baseline numbers. Now it's time to get the truck over and get the kit installed. So let's do it. All right, we've made it through most of the install here. You can see we've got the core here. This is what runs the fluid through the air-to-water intercooler, keeps the charger cool. The charger will then bolt on to the side here. Magnuson cover goes on top, and then we are complete. So as soon as we wrap up the rest of this install, we're gonna get this over to the dyno, get some after numbers, and then we'll take it out for a drive. So let's finish wrapping this up now. right, so we just finished doing the after dyno run here, and the Supercharger kit delivered. We have a massive torque gain from the start of our test at 2,500 all the way up to about 3,800 RPMs. Throughout the entire curve, we're gaining good power, good torque, and up top, we can see a very good rear wheel horsepower gain of about 55 rear wheel horsepower. Overall, these gains are on point for what our Mustang dyno does with drivetrain loss. Remember, we are dynoing this car here in Arizona on our Mustang dyno, aka the Heartbreaker, in a super hot summer day, so the results are gonna be a little bit lower. For those east of the Mississippi running 93 octane and cooler temperatures, expect even more performance out of your Tacoma with the Magnuson Supercharger. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more on this product, go ahead and click that link in the description. Of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. We will see you at the next one.